Welcome to this week's video, y'all. Here on Lenny's Garage. We got a Prairie 300 4x4 that me and a buddy are flipping. It's turning out to be a nightmare. I paid $200 for this Prairie. Missing a top end. Needs motor built. And so I'm here tearing this motor apart. Almost every single bolt on this crank. These crankcases are loose.
Oh my God! Wow!
So, great signs of a very good motor.
You sure about that? You sure about that?
Oh yeah. I'm gonna put y'all in time lapse, and we're gonna time lapse me tearing this thing down. We got the plastics off. We need to wash it up here in a second. After I wash it up, I'm gonna put it on jack stands. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay guys, so basically what I'm going to be talking about is I'm deeming the Kawasaki Prairie 300 unfixable, or really it's just not worth fixing or worth me putting the money into it. They're not worth a lot as it is in my area. So like you're going to need a brand new kill switch because the kill switch has a broken off choke lever. You're going to need a new exhaust. The exhaust is missing. You're going to need a carburetor. Cheapest of cheap carburetor and heads too. They're probably not going to run that good. The carburetor and jug, and a head for it with a cam and head studs, stuff like that. It's also probably going to need the guides and things like that. Basically, I had a $500 budget. I'm already $200 into it. $511 in just parts here. It's not worth it to me. Maybe to other people it is. I don't know. I'm probably going to be parting it out. So comment, that kind of thing. If you want the plastics, anything off the bike you see, um, I'll sell them. Uh, so yeah, it's gonna be on a video of it. Sometimes you just, you know, you lose what you got into it. You know, um, yeah, like, subscribe, that kind of thing. Um, support the channel. Yeah, I'm gonna try to upload some more. I haven't been uploading here recently, but I'm gonna try. So y'all have a good day. That kind of thing. Like, subscribe.